Today, we are installing a seat cover from Guts Racing. Now this seat cover seeks to solve the issue of a slippy, slidey seat. So when I'm doing wheelies, maybe eventually hand drags, it'll stop me from sliding off the seat, especially if I'm wearing like sweatpants or pants that aren't quite as grippy. So let's put this thing on. Now I do have to thank Guts Racing for sending this out to me free of charge. I will still give my unbiased review, but I can already tell you, I'm probably gonna like this thing. We'll start just by taking off the seat. First, we got to remove all these screws. All right, guys, so getting the seat cover off is always a bit tedious, just specifically with all the staples, as you can see them everywhere. But it is now off. I'm gonna carefully peel this. Oh, looks like there's a little styrofoam getting stuck on the cover. I wonder if it looks like they used adhesive under here. Here's the cover itself, looks sweet. It's gonna be a nice fit. It's got little stretchy material on the outside, so it actually wraps around. Should actually make this a lot easier. Well guys, the seat cover is on. Looks pretty good in my opinion. There are some wrinkles. That doesn't speak to the quality or the fitment that Guts Racing has. It only speaks to my ability or lack thereof of ability to install seat covers proficiently. I also ran out of staples, so this should work. This should be enough. It looks sweet. It's gonna look sick on the bike, and the grip is gonna be so good. So hopefully these staples hold. And just like that, guys, she is back on. Looks freaking sweet, feels super grippy. So I'm excited to test this thing out. Like I said, could look a little better if I did a better job. That's on me though. But again, thank you Guts Racing for sending this out. There's nothing else we can do now outside of ride it. So let's go. Well guys, now we know that it looks great, but the question is, does it perform great? So now it's time to test that. You also might notice I just took off the decals because they're getting a little raggedy. I like the stock look, but this looks pretty sweet. It's very Surronster now. So guys, for the purpose of this video, I also wore super slippery pants. These are like Lululemon pants or whatever, and they're super slick. So on the stock seat, I would slide all around. So we'll see how it feels with these on the grippy seat. Do our first wheelie test. Oh, we are locked in, baby. We are locked in. My butt is not moving at all. That's crazy. I've always been a fan of seat grippers because they just help with wheelies a ton. Like I said, had it on my old CRF, so it feels great. Let's actually try a knee knocker here in a second. Ooh, look at the Miata. NC hardtop. Wish I had a hard top. I've got a soft top, but all right, knee knock test. Oh, knee knock test. Oh, we're gripped. We're gripped. Yeah, that feels great. Rip through these bad boys. Not nearly as much movement. Yeah, this thing feels great, guys. I'd highly recommend it. You can reach out to Guts Racing to order one. I think they custom make them right now, so you won't see it directly on their website, but it's well worth it. That Razor kid, aka Brad, put me onto this, and he used it to help him learn hand drags because the stock seat was just so slick for that, but whew, feels amazing. Give you guys another quick look at it. Again, it looks sweet with the decals taken off too, I think, but whew, this thing is too fun. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Very bumpy. Whew. Oh, baby. This feels awesome. What's up? Oh, it's closed? Sorry. Whole section's closed off. No art museum today. Or no top of the art museum at least. Woo! Police out here. Ooh, and you got an RF Miata up here. I love these RFs. I almost got one, but found an NC for a better price. We'll head over to the skate park real quick. See what's going on over there. That was like my longest throttle one-hander so far. A quick skate park action to end it for you guys. This dude's shredding it up. Alrighty. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I would wholly recommend this seat cover from Guts Racing. Again, thank you for sending it out to me. It really just gives you so much more grip. And the other thing is it makes the bike look just so much more proper. So if you're really going for like more of a dirt bike look, this will get you that. I'll give you one last look before I say goodbye. Again, decals off, seat cover on, a little wrinkly, that's my fault. But thank you for watching the video, guys. I will catch you next time. Peace.